Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
With your left hand behind your back, look to the left and bend your right elbow to bring your right hand in front of your face with your palm facing the camera. Hold this pose for the first 4 counts. Slowly swing your right arm up and out, then down before bringing it back up in front of your face as you look at the camera. Bring your left hand up next to it, then move your right hand to the right a bit before bringing it back near your left hand. Quickly swing your right arm clockwise to bring your right hand to your chest as you look down and to the right. Look at the camera, then punch upward with your left fist 4 times as you tap your right heel 4 times. Continue tapping your right heel as you bend your left elbow to bring your hand near your shoulder, palm facing out, then straighten your left arm before bending your elbow to bring your hand in again. Swing your left arm counterclockwise to bring your hand to your chest. Swing your right arm over to the right, then forward so that it is extended straight out toward the camera, palm facing up before repeating this move on the left. Step in to bring your feet together as you bend your elbows to bring your hands near your chest, bend your knees, and look down. Keeping your elbows slightly bent, move your hands out to either side as you stand back up and look at the camera. Jump slightly to separate your feet as you put your left hand on your hip and point up and to the right with your right hand. Move your right hand over to the left as you turn your right heel to the left so that your right knee turns to the right, then move your right hand over to the right and down slightly as you switch the positions of your legs. Do this quickly to the left, right, and left, moving your hand down a bit more each time and switching the positions of your legs accordingly. Swing your right hand down, then around in a counterclockwise motion to bring your fist to your hip as you turn to the left and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Swing your right foot forward to slide it across the floor before bringing your knee up, then bring your right foot back down next to your left foot. Step toward the camera and slightly to the right with your right foot as you extend both arms down in front of you and out slightly with your right arm crossed over your left arm, then switch the positions of your arms. Step forward with your left foot so that you are facing forward and slightly to the right as you twirl your hands around each other, up and to the right for 1 count. Bring your feet together as you hop back and slightly to the right as you bring your arms up, bending your elbows at 90-degree angles. Lower your arms slightly, then move them back up. Hop back again as you put your left fist on your hip and punch upward twice with your right fist. Step forward on your right foot as you put your right hand on your left shoulder, then bring your left foot up to meet your right foot as you cross your left arm over your right arm. Bend your knees slightly as you shake your hips to the right, and bring your left shoulder up. Then shake your hips to the left, then right as you bring your right, then left shoulder up. Step over to the right on your right foot and bend your knees to the right. Lean to the right a bit and look to the left as you point down and to the right with your left hand and up and to the left with your right hand. Now turn your knees to the left and lean to the left a bit as you bring your left hand over to the inside of your left knee and use your right hand to turn your head to the right. With your left hand on your hip, step in place on your right foot as you point to the left with your right hand, then step in place on your left foot as you point to the right with your right hand, keeping your arms straight. Step in place on your right foot again as you point to the left again, then swing your right arm over to the right as you move your hips in a clockwise circle. Keeping your elbow bent, wave your right hand once. Turn to the left, stepping over to the right with your right foot so that your back is to the camera as you bring your left foot off the ground and wave your right hand again. Bring your left foot down and put your right hand on your hip as you wave with your left hand, keeping your elbow bent. Look at the camera as you wave with your left hand again. Step in a bit on your right foot, then spin to the right on your right foot as you bring your left foot around until you are facing the camera. With your index fingers extended, bring both arms up and to the left, then kick out with your right foot before swinging both arms down and to the right, bringing your right foot back down, then crossing your left foot over your right foot. Step back over to the left with your left foot as you swing both arms down and to the left, then down and to the right. Bring your left fist up to your chest as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot and swing your right fist up to your chest as well, making sure that your elbows are pointing out. Quickly swing your right arm up and to the right and forward as you kick out with your left foot and hop back on your right foot. Bring your left foot back down next to your right foot as you bend your elbows to bring your arms back and turn slightly to the left. Now swing your arms back and out to either side a bit as you turn slightly to the right. Step over to the right on your right foot as you extend your right arm out toward the camera, then curl your fingers in and pull your right hand back to your chest as you step behind your left foot with your right foot, then step over to the left on your left foot so that you are turned slightly to the right. Step back a bit on your right foot, then quickly step forward on your left foot. Step over to the right on your right foot as you extend your right arm up and your left arm over to the left, then hop slightly, stepping over to the left with your left foot and bringing your right foot to where your left foot was as you extend your left arm up and your right arm over to the left. Hop again to bring your left foot over as you step over to the right on your right foot, extend your right arm straight out to the right, put your left hand on your chest, and look to the left. Look at the camera as you extend both arms straight out to either side, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you tilt your head to the right and bend your elbows to bring your right arm in front of you and your left arm behind you. Return to your previous position before repeating this move in the opposite direction. Hop over to the right on your right foot as you bring your left foot up behind you and to the left, swing both arms clockwise, keeping your elbows bent, and look to the left. Bring your left foot back down as you continue moving your arms clockwise, then repeat the previous movement. Bring your fists up to your chest and bring your left foot down so that you are facing to the right. Take 4 more steps in a clockwise circle, starting on the right foot and ending so that you are facing the camera.